When you log into Nolat Labs, our system has an attendance that automatically records everything. And this is what I use to track who is and isn't here, especially when COVID started and we started being able to work from home or a hotel somewhere. This is an easy way for me to track who's logged in for the day. It's supposed to put a pop-up in the upper right corner there to give you information, and it would be one of three messages normally. It'll be an early bird message, an on-time message, or a late message. You will earn some loot if you're early or on time, and you'll be penalized just a little bit if you are late. But if it doesn't give you the pop-up, which is a bug report that I've already filed, you can go to your stats panel to check. And you're looking on the history tab for something of the type attendance. We're going to have to scroll back several pages here for me because I was recording videos today, so it's been a while. Here it is. This is the attendance one right here at the bottom, and it just says see message right now. I'd like that message to be there, but if you hover over it, it'll show you what the message is. And I filed a bug report with them for that as well. So you can see it says this one was a test, and there are a couple of notes. It says, note, if you arrived without the required items, then claim an unprepared penalty. And then a note, if you received this but you don't start working right away, then claim a slacker penalty. These both apply to the early bird attendance. The slacker penalty wouldn't apply if you just arrived on time. And those are both from the store. We'll get to that a little bit later in the orientation. You don't need to worry about it right now. But do please worry about the attendance. You should see it pop up there, or you should at least see the entry in your stats list on the history every time that you come in. If you don't, please let Mr. Marzouk or I know, because that means that we've got a setting wrong somewhere, or that there's a bug in the system that's crept in, which has happened. Which brings up the point that this whole game, Nolat Labs, that we're playing in this class, is a work in progress. We are designing this game as we play it, and we are part of a group around the world who's experimenting with this method of teaching classes and learning in classes. So you, by giving feedback about what does work, what doesn't work, what you like, what you don't like, you're helping to make this better, and you are also helping us practice this method, develop it, share it with other teachers, and get more people interested in teaching this way. So please do be an active participant in both playing the game and also thinking about the game and giving feedback about the game and how it could be improved, because we are very actively making this better every year. So now that you know, you should get a bonus every time for showing up a little bit early and logging in to Nolat Labs. Keep in mind, if you don't open your computer and log into Nolat Labs, you can't get the bonus. And it is clock-based. I can't give it to you retroactively because you were here, but you were just talking, or you were here and you had to go to the bathroom. If that's the case, log in when you get here. You'll get the on time, hopefully. But if you get here early and you log in for the bigger bonus, the expectation is that you are then going to just get to work. The expectation is also that you have everything. That means you have your design notebook, pens and pencils, earbuds, and a charged laptop. If you don't have those, then the expectation is that you'll go to the store, you'll open that up to the goodies section, and then you will purchase yourself an unprepared penalty. This one specifically says you're agreeing to get to work right away, and it's supposed to say that you have everything. I'll need to change that text. When you open it up, that's what it will say. But you didn't. Slacker means that you got here and then you logged in to get the early bird bonus, but you didn't actually get to work. And those are expected that you will self-monitor and show up with those earbuds, pens, design notebook, and laptop every day.